Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Xingfa Exhibition Hall. Xingfa System is an R&D department of Xingfa Windows and Doors. And here behind me is Xingfa Exhibition Centers of key research items demonstrations. Let's go and take a look. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our 110 energy-saving 3-track sliding windows. This is one of the most popular Paxdon windows and door system in the marketplace. And also it is our star product. Now I'm going to show you some details of this product. This product equipped with a mosquito nets and stainless steel tracks. Stainless steel tracks improve sliding smoothing. And also in the details, this window equipped with upper wheels and bottom wheels. These wheels are set as anti-typhoon functions. Also, this product can match with a balcony handrails. These handrails gives you a feeling of greens and plants and the balcony ledges.